Good morning, friends. This is Balaya Susar. We have been discussing C programming language. On the part of C programming language training, we have started pointers. Before starting our lesson, I would like to thank each and everyone who have been liking my videos, sharing my videos, and subscribing to my channel. And especially each and every person, name by name, I am conveying my thanks to you for your support to my channel. These are the topics we have discussed till now. First one is introduction to pointers. Second one is definition and a declaration of a pointer. Third one is amount of memory required for pointer variable. And fourth one is size of operator, address of operator, and dereferencing the pointer variable. So in this concept, we have studied indirection operator and accessing the value of a variable using pointers. So today we are going to learn assigning a value of a variable using pointers. We can assign a value for a variable by using pointers. How to assign? Let us see with an example. So here I am taking one variable that is called integer x. I am creating one pointer for this. I am taking it as a star p, and we have to initialize the pointer. How to initialize the pointer here? I am assigning address for the p. So which address I would like to store? The address of the variable x. So how to give? We have the address of operator. What is ampersand? Followed by we have to specify the variable name. P is equal to ampersand x. Now I have to assign a value for that variable x. How to assign? So in the last class, I told that. So we have the operator called indirection operator. If you place this operator before the pointer, then what is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is value at p. So what is p here? P is a pointer. So what is the pointer variable? Pointer variable is used to hold the address of another variable. So value at address of p. Address of p. What is the address of p here? So what is the address? So therefore value yet, sir, for example, if we specify the address as 2001, then value at 2001. So now we are going to assign a value at 2001 location. So I think you understand that. I am going to show you diagrammatically. So here I have a variable. What is the name of the variable, sir? X. So every variable compiler allocates specific block of memory. So let us say 2 bytes of memory is allocated, and this x, presently I have not initialized where assigned value for x, and for every variable we have the name, we have the value, and we have the address. Let us say the address is 2001. Address is 2001. Now for this variable I am creating one more point, creating a pointer. What is the pointer name? P. So now this P is pointing towards the variable x, because P is a pointer variable, so therefore it is able to store the address of x. What is the address of x? 2001. So therefore the value of the pointer variable here is 2001, and this pointer variable is also have some address. Let us say the address of this variable is some 3000. So now this is the variable x, and then this is the pointer variable p. This pointer variable is pointing to x, and p is holding the address of x. Now what is the value at 2001? At present there is no value, but now what we are doing, simply we are writing here star p is equal to, let us say, 100. Star p is equal to 100. So by using this statement, we are assigning value for a variable x. So what is the meaning of this? So star p is equal to 100. That means star p means value at p. What is P? Address of P. What is the address of P? 2001. So value at 2001. At present there is no value. Now I am assigning the value called 100. So therefore the value of X will be 100 because value at 2001 is equal to 100. If you want to print the value of a variable, we can print. How we can print? Simply by printing the X value or by printing the star P value. By printing the star P. So now this is the way how to assign a value for a variable X. Now we are going to see the program for this. So here let us go to this part. So here I am writing modifying the program. What is our program? Program to find to assign program to assign the value of a to assign the value for a variable using a pointer. Now hash include stdio.h integer main of. Now I am taking the variable name integer x. Now actually to assign a value we are reading from the keyboard, but now we are not interested to read the data from keyboard. We are going to assign the value by using pointer. So therefore I have created one pointer variable. The pointer variable name is star p. So I have to initialize the pointer variable. How to initialize? I have to assign the address for which variable x. Therefore p is equal to ampersand x. Now I am assigning the value for a variable x. What is the value I am assigning? 100. Now I would like to print the value of a variable x is equal to %d comma I am assigning here writing x. Now I would like to print the statement print out the value of the variable x using pointer variable. So %d comma what is the pointer variable? Star p. So this is the way how to assign a value for a variable x. Now I am saving the program. Now here I am executing the program. So compile and run. Now program is compiling. Yes, error 0, warning 0. Now I am going to show you the output screen. Yes, this is the output screen. So the value of the variable x is 100. The value of the variable x using pointer is equal to 100. The value of the variable x is equal to 100 and the value of the variable x using pointer is equal to 100. So this is how we are going to assign a value for a variable using pointers. Now, how to modify the value of the variable? That is also we are going to see. How to modify? For example, I want to modify the value of a variable by using pointer. So it is very simple. I am going to share the screen now. So this is here. What is star p? Star p is equal to 100. Now if I want to modify the value of the variable, very simple. Star p is equal to, I can write star p plus 1. Star p is equal to, I can write the value star p comma 1. So star p is equal to star p plus 1. Sir, what is star p? Star p means value at location. What is the value address of p? 2001. What is the value at 2001? 100. So value at 100 2001 location is equal to 100 plus 1. So therefore 100 is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 1, that is equal to 101. Therefore now the value at p is changed to 101. So this value will be overridden and the value is equal to 101. Very simple. So this is the way how to modify the value of a variable using pointer variable. Simply star p is equal to star p plus 1. Now we are going to see the same with the program, how it works now. So now let us go to program. So here simply I am writing star p is equal to star p plus 1. Now I am printing the value of the variable x and I am printing the value of the variable using pointer. So now I am saving the program. Now I am executing, compile and run. Yes, there are no errors. If you observe it, I am going to share you the output screen. Here, this is the output screen. Value of the variable x is equal to 101 and the value of the variable x using pointer is equal to 101. Yes, it is very simple how to assign a value for a variable using pointer and how to modify the value of the variable using pointer. So I think you got my point. Very simple. How to assign? Very easy. Putting the star before the p, that is star p is equal to, you can give any value, and star p is equal to star p plus 1, right? We can do the same thing. So this is the program for this example. Now, so thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.